Hello, this is Chaparral Robotics and this is our Simulink model. As you can see here, we will start by explaining the way we created our model. First, we started with our keyboard input block. Connect the WS and AD outputs to two game blocks set to our desired speeds. Next, we will connect our two game block outputs into an arcade control block. Two outputs are found in the arcade block. We will connect both those into the game block in the following way. This will allow our robot to move right and left, back and forth. Now we will grab the K output on the keyboard input block and connect it to a latch block. Then connect the latch's output and connect it to the game block like this. This will allow our robot to pick up and drop cells with its latch. Next we will do the same step but with the keyboard input output L. This will allow our robot to raise and lower its latch up and down. After doing this, we will have to create three new keyboard outputs in the following ways by double-clicking on the keyboard input block. Please copy this down. Then connect these three new keyboard input outputs into the drop vaccine Dmux and the drop vaccine Dmux output into the game block. This will allow a robot to drop each vaccine once when you click either J, H, or G. Next, on our final step when creating our keyboard code is the following. Connect the game block output cell type to a compare to constant block. Set three of these blocks to sign equal, and then set the constant to one block to 0, the second block to 1, and the last block to 2. Then after this, you will connect one of the compare to constant blocks set at 2, then connect the other two blocks to the side of the first line connection. This is very important as you cannot connect to the other two constant blocks to any place else. Once you have done this, connect our compare to constant block set to 2 to a red lamp input found on the game field lamps block, indicating an infected cell. Next, connect your second block set to 1 and connect it to the green lamp found on the game field lamps block input, indicating an immune cell. And last but not least, connect your compare to constant block set to 0 to the orange lamp found in the game field lamps block. This will allow the robot to detect three types of cells found in the game field as its gripper goes over the cell. Next is our autonomous Simulink model. It consists of one block, a shard block which connects to our game block 5 times into all the game block inputs. If you connect these, make sure to switch their names from their data to their input names by right-clicking on the shard block and selecting Explore. If you double-click on the shard block, you can create a command to type each single movement of the robot. If you do this several different commands, you can get a robot to do different things. This is our example.